Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today we are going to talk about the knit two together through the back loop decreases. This is a left-leaning decrease and it's especially easy for beginners. Before we start with our decrease, I wanted to show you something real quick. When we look at our loop on the needle from above and split it in half with a line, you are getting a back side or the back loop and a front side or the front loop. So when we are making our decrease now, you can see here the front loop and the back loop. For this decrease, we need to knit through the first two stitches through the back loop. So insert your right needle through the back loop from both stitches and knit them together. You can see you have a twisted stitch that leans to the left. Let me show you again. You have your front loop and your back loop. Insert your needle through the back loop through both stitches and then knit them together and make one stitch. You have a twisted stitch that leans to the left. So let me show you how this looks when you would knit in English style. It is the same. You're inserting your needle through the back loop of both stitches and then instead of picking the yarn, you throw the yarn around the needle and then knit them together. I did knit a swatch where I did knit the knit two together, the right leaning decrease on the left side and the left leaning counterpart on the right side. You can see the knit two together through the back loop has a twisted stitch on the base. Here for comparison, you can see that the SSK on the left side has a different appearance than a knit two together through the back loop on the right side. If you are interested in the tutorial, I will add the link in the description down below. So that's already it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy. Until next time. Bye!